We're here inside of Premiere Pro, and I already have a video loaded into my project panel, which I will now just drag onto the timeline just here. So you can see the video and its associated audio have come in nicely. Now here's my scenario. I would like to independently edit the audio relative to the video. So for example, maybe I want to trim the audio but leave the video where it is, or maybe shift the audio altogether, or maybe even delete it. So how can I separate or unlink the video from its audio? Well, it's nice and easy. Simply right mouse click, and we are looking for this option just here, unlink. Now, as soon as we do that, these guys are now independent of one another. So for example, I could grab the audio and shift it, even trim it, and even just press the delete key to get rid of it altogether. Nice and easy. A nice little quick bonus tip here for you guys. I'll just clean up my timeline just here. Let's say ahead of time I knew I wanted just the video or just the audio. Well, if you double click on your video, it will load up here in the source panel. There's two little buttons under the preview just here. The first one just here is drag video only. The second one, drag audio only. So normally if we were to grab, say, the thumbnail just up here and drag it in, sure enough, the video and the audio comes in together. I'll just undo that. But if I grab that drag video only button, only the video comes in, notice no audio. I'll undo that. And if I was to grab this one just here, drag audio only, that will drag in just the audio minus the video. So if you know ahead of time, guys, you want just one of those, you don't have to drag the whole thing in, then unlink them, and then delete the one that you don't want. So I hope that helps there with your video editing here inside of Premiere Pro, guys. Catch you later.